His Excellency Dato' Ahmad Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Zohari bin Dato' Abang Haji Oping, Minister of Tourism Sarawak, my colleagues, Excellencies, ASEAN tourism ministers and heads of delegation, distinguished ASEAN head of NTOs and delegates, distinguished guests and members of the media. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and selamat datang. It gives me great pleasure to warmly welcome all of you to the ASEAN Green Hotel Award 2014, held in conjunction with the ASEAN Tourism Forum 2014 here in this unique city of Kuching. At the same time, I wish to record my deepest appreciation to all my colleagues, the ASEAN tourism ministers and the heads of delegation, the Deputy Secretary General of ASEAN and the Secretary General of UNWTO for gracing this historic occasion and extending their kind support at this ceremony. My appreciation also goes to Honorable Dato' Ahmad Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Zohari bin Tun Dato' Abang Haji Oping, the Minister of Tourism of Sarawak, for the close collaboration and support in organizing this award event. I would also like to thank all ASEAN member states as well as the ASEAN Secretariat for their unwavering support and entrusting Malaysia with the privilege to host the ASEAN Green Hotel Award 2014. The success of this event is a result of a close strategic partnership between ASEAN and the Ministry of Tourism and Culture, Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, the ASEAN Green Hotel Award was first started in 2008 with Thailand as a host country. At this ASEAN Green Hotel Award 2014, ASEAN will award 86 green hotels across the ASEAN member states. As for Malaysia, amongst the 10 hotels receiving the award today, 2 are located in Sarawak, namely Riverside Majestic Hotel, Kuching, and Miri Marriott Resort and Spa. This ceremony is a recognition of the mutual benefits and opportunities derived through networking, collaboration, and working in partnership within the ASEAN member states, the private sector, and the NGOs. I look forward to the sharing of success stories and experiences which can help provide valuable lessons and guidelines that will have significant impact on the economy and tourism industry. Now, ladies and gentlemen, a green hotel is a hotel which is environmentally friendly and adopts energy conservation measures while being respectful of sustainable consumption of resources. Nowadays, there is an increasing demand by tourists for hotels which adopt green practices. Studies have shown that this increase in demand is higher than the supply of green hotels. Hence, these green hotels fetch a premium in their hotel rates. And beyond this, the green hotel management practices will, in the long run, also reduce the cost of operations and enhance revenue. Recognizing this global trend, ASEAN has decided to develop the ASEAN Green Hotel Standard. This standard establishes a professional green hotel operation comprising an environmental plan, green products, human resource, and environment management, all of which enable all involved to reap benefits from a collective approach to operational professionalism. This ASEAN Green Hotel Program is also seen as an integral initiative to support the current work of ASEAN to develop the ASEAN Ecotourism Strategic Plan, which promotes responsible tourism and green practice in the tourism industry. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this biannual award is presented to hotels which adhere to green and sustainable practices, are environmentally friendly, and adopt energy conservation measures based on the criteria and requirements enshrined in the ASEAN Green Hotel Standard. The primary objective of this award is to provide the well-deserved recognition to hotels that go beyond conventional practices and embark on green and environmental friendly measures in support of responsible tourism. In conclusion, I would like to convey my heartiest congratulations to all the winners of the ASEAN Green Hotel Award 2014. We are proud of your achievements and we look forward to more hotels and resorts emulating your success in our quest for sustainable development of tourism. Thank you and have an enjoyable evening.
Thank you, Honorable Dr. Sri, for a welcoming speech, and please remain on stage as we will